In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into one of the most creative and versatile tool in Photoshop, the Smudge tools. Whether you are a digital artist, photographer, or just someone who loves to experiment with different techniques, the Smudge tools can add a whole new dimensions to your work. So let's get started. Okay, so before we begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the Smudge tools. You can find it in the toolbars and um, like you can find it in the something into here. There's the Smudge tools. Okay, so here we have, let me just show the shops in there. And here we have where we can find the Smudge tools. And it's a tool that allows you to blend and smudge pixels, creating smooth transitions and interesting effect in your images. Okay, so click on the Smudge tools and you will notice a menu of the top various settings. The strength you can find there is the slider determines how much the tools affect the pixels. Okay, so if I say this will be like 50% or 50, I can just use the 50% in there. So here I have the 50% and experiment with the different strength and achieve the desired result. You can also adjust the brush sizes if you want to use, and also the hardness for more pieces. So here we have the brush sizes. You can use the hardness, so you can just increase or decrease the hardness. Okay, so and we can use now let's start with the practical example. And I want to blend two colors seamlessly. So select this much, and set the responsibility state to the you can use. Now I want to apply this one into the face. Now you can see if I'm gonna use this one, and it's kind of a paint in there, and you can now see this is kind of the paint and here, and I can just use this one holding it, and I can just make it here, the smile in here. So a little bit, and this is the kind of painting. I'm just painting this one, and you can now see it's come up with the paintings. Okay, so this way you can easily make it any kind of image as a kind of paintings, or you can just as a watermark, or you can just change here the modes as a dragons. Like you can give it a dragons mode there if you want to use the hue, and you can just use the hues in there. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial on how to use Smudge in or Adobe Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that has inspired you to incorporate with the Smudge tools in your creative workflow. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.